Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home, students. Very good. I am also fine here. Okay. Take care of yourself. Okay, students. Hope you all are learning your daily lessons. Okay, that only the problems in accountancy you have to do and see. Okay, I am showing that problem and you have to do and see them again. Okay, only then you can practice yourself. Okay, then in the first chapter, incomplete records. Now we are in the stage of that calculating profit or loss or preparation of final accounts. For that, some data will be missing, some information will be missing. We are finding out that information. That one only we are doing. We have completed one part. That means we are asked to calculate either the credit purchases or the total purchases. Okay, so for credit sales or total sales. For this purpose, the credit sales can be computed from the total debtors account, and for the debtors we need the bills receivable account also. Okay, both of them have the debit balance, opening balance debit, closing balance credit, almost all the adjustments on the other side. Okay, in the same way here we have they are asking us to calculate the total purchases. For that we need cash purchases and the credit purchases. The credit purchases can be calculated from the creditors account. Okay, we purchase from the creditors. So when we get prepare the total creditors account, we can get the credit purchases. Okay, so we have learned already in the first two account. That means the bills receivable and bills payable, we have debit balance. But here the creditors account and the bills payable account, we have credit balance. Okay, so we should write on the credit side by balance brought down. Okay, then adjustments may be on the debit side. If we pay cash to the creditors, what is the entry? Creditors account debtor to cash. Okay, then if we pay check, creditors account debtor to bank. Okay, bank. Then if we have accepted any bills, okay, there we receive the bills, here we accept the bill. That means we need to pay that one. Here also that we will debit the creditors account to bills payable account. Here we have to write bill accepted. Okay, then if the bills accepted dishonored, it is that reverse entry. This side we should write the bills payable account. Okay, bills. Again we have to credit the total creditors account, bills payable account debtor to total creditors. That's it. Bills payable account. Here you have to write bill dishonored. Again here we paid the check and we issue check. That check if dishonored, we have to credit that one. Okay, by bank. Here we have to write check dishonored. Okay, then again there we wrote the sales return. So here it will be purchase return. Okay, if purchase return, creditors account debtor to purchase return, or another one return outward, the other word for purchase return. Okay, then if we receive any discount, to discount received. Okay, now opening balance we have written on the credit side, closing balance on the debit side. To balance carry down. Now either they will ask this to calculate the closing balance or purchases. Purchases account debtor to creditors account. So purchases, this may be and write credit. We should write as the balancing figure. Mostly they will ask this one only. Okay. Okay, total creditors account. Now we will do one illustration. I will show you one illustration and I will do that 14th exercise. Okay, 14th illustration I will show to you. See, 14th one. From the following details, calculate credit purchases. Opening creditors, closing creditors, return outward, cash paid to creditors. Okay. So total creditors account, by balance brought down, to balance carried down, return outward here, then cash paid. Okay. Closing balance return, then balancing amount by credit purchases. Now I think we can do the exercise. Okay. 14th exercise. Okay. See, opening creditors, closing creditor, purchase return, cash paid to creditors. Easy, the same way we have to do. Okay, shall I use one page and do? Okay, question number 14. Total creditors account. Total creditors account. Opening creditors, by balance brought down, 1,70,000. Then purchase returns, this side, 2 purchase returns, 20,000. Then cash paid to creditors, 2 cash, 4,50,000. Closing creditors, opening here, closing here, 2 balance carry down, 1,90,000. Now we should calculate the balance. Total this side more, so you add this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 plus 9, 16, balance 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 6,60,000 right here. Then balance you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 plus 9, 16, balance 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 4, 6. Okay, so by purchases account. Balance you bracket you write credit, okay, credit purchases. Then again balancing figure in the bracket. Okay. Now you should know the next account. Okay, next account is here total creditors account and bills payable account. Okay. Bills payable account. Okay, in the bills payable account also we have only 5 items only. Okay, in the bills receivable what we have done now, the same way here also we have only 5 items. Bills payable account. Okay, first one, total creditors also credit balance, bills payable also credit balance, by balance brought down. Okay. Then here to balance carry down. Then if we pay cash for the bills payable, bills we have accepted, no, if we pay cash, bills payable account debtor to cash. Okay, or if we pay the check to bank account. Okay, that we can say or any one. Okay, either cash or bank as one we can say. Then if it is that bills payable dishonor, then what we have to do? We will write that here in the account we have done, no? Bills payable dishonor means again we have to credit the creditors. Bills payable again we need to credit. Okay. No, bills payable account should be debited, and we have given the bills payable accepted. Now when we accept the bills payable, how it is that that creditors will be debited, okay, and the bills payable account will be credited. But here again, if it is dishonored, we have to debit the bills payable and we have to credit the creditors, sundry creditors account. Bills dishonor. Okay, only bills payable paid, and if it is dishonored, okay, then closing balance carried on. Okay, then the balancing figure will be by that bills accepted, okay, by sundry creditors account. Bill accepted. Balance it will come. Okay, only 5 items. Either cash happen, bills dishonor, bills accepted. Okay, mostly they will ask us to calculate the bills accepted. Okay, this two only we are writing in this account, because we prepare first bills payable account, only then the creditors account. Creditors account, you see that bill dishonor, bills payable account debtor to sundry creditors we wrote, no? So that one here we have to write. Bills accepted, you see, then creditors account debtor to bills payable. Okay, here we got it. Bills accepted, creditors account debtor to bills payable. These two only we got to write extra. Okay, so I think we can do the next problem. Okay, next I will show you the illustration. See, illustration 15. From the following particulars, calculate total purchases. Both given. Creditors, bills payable. Okay, then opening balance both given. Last closing balance both given. In between, cash paid to creditors, then paid for bills payable, then purchase return, cash purchases. Because total purchases, no, this one will not come in the problem. Last we have to add along with the credit purchases, this cash purchases must be added. Okay, you see bills payable first, then only creditors account. And the bills payable, first one, their second item, bills payable opening given, credit side written, then paid for bills payable account debtor to cash. Okay, then closing balance, bills payable 80,000. Then the balance is sundry creditors, bills accepted. Okay, then the creditors account, total creditors account. Here first balance, opening balance, then here closing balance written, then cash paid to creditors, creditor account debtor to cash, then paid for bills payable will not come, purchase returns, then cash purchase will not come, then creditors closing. Okay, then from the bills payable account we have to write, okay, only one item there, creditors account debtor to bills payable, this one, the balancing figure of the bills payable account. Then we have to add, then we should find the difference, that is credit purchases, you see, purchase account, balance, bracket credit, again bracket balancing figure. Then total purchases is equal to cash purchases plus credit purchases. Cash purchases given in the problem, 3,20,000 plus this one 4,80,000. 8 lakh. Okay, rupees symbol you have to write. Okay, students. So, shall we do the 15th exercise. Okay. I will show you the problem. From the following particulars, calculate total purchases. Sundry creditors opening, then bills payable opening, paid cash to creditors, paid for bills payable, then purchase return, cash purchase, creditors and bills payable closing. Okay, first we have to prepare the bills payable account. Okay, let me use one page. Bills payable account. First number, isn't it? 15. Bills payable account. Okay, first opening bills payable by balance brought down. 25,000. Then paid for bills payable to cash account 30,000. Okay, then bills payable closing balance brought carry down. Okay, 20,000. So balance here 50,000. Here also 50,000. So balance by sundry creditors account. Okay, sundry creditors account, bills accepted, you have to write. Balance will be 25,000. Okay, now next account, sundry creditors account. Sundry creditors account. First balance. By balance brought down. Sundry creditors opening 30,000. Then next item bills payable return. Paid cash to creditors. So here to cash 1,20,000. Paid for bills payable will not come. Then purchase returns. That will come. Okay, purchase returns 15,000. Then cash purchases will not come. Then creditors closing. Before that we should enter this one. Okay. Here creditors account data to bills payable. If the this one credit side, here it will come on the debit side. Okay, 25,000. Now closing creditors to balance carry down creditors 25,000. 25,000. Okay. Total, and we will find out the balance credit purchases. 0, 0, 0, 10, 15, balance 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 1. 1,85,000. So 1,85,000 means here 1,55,000, isn't it? So by purchases. Balance credit, bracket credit, then again balancing figure. We have got the credit purchases. Now we have to calculate the total purchases. That is the question. Calculate total purchases. So total purchases is equal to cash purchases plus credit purchases Cash purchases, how much given? 2,25,000. Credit 1,55,000. So how much you will get? 5, 5, 10, balance 1, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3,80,000 rupees. This is the answer. You can write once again, total purchases. Okay students, we have learnt 2 more problems. Okay, 14 and 15. Then 16 we have everything together. Okay, total we have to calculate bills receivable account, then total debtors account, again bills payable account, total creditors account. So that we will do tomorrow. Okay, so do these 2 problems. Okay students, thank you very much.